Welcome all of you, myself Professor Enshinde, and I am going to deliver the lecture on farm machinery and equipment second, and in first unit reaper. The reaper is a generally machine used for harvesting the grain crops. Harvesting of the cereal crops, especially wheat and rice, is a serious problem. So there is a tremendous crop loss when untimely rain is experienced. Now, delayed harvesting causes grain shattering due to the over maturity. The standing crop in the field can be harvested with the use of the reaper. Reaper may be classified as animal drawn reaper, animal drawn engine operated reaper, tractor rear mounted PTO operated reaper, or power tiller operated front mounted vertical conveyor type reaper, and tractor mounted front mounted vertical conveyor reaper. Now the animal drawn reaper, it consists of the cutter bar 1.5 meter length. The power to drive the knife bar is given from the ground wheel by means of the gearbox, a crank and connecting rod mechanism. As the machine is pulled forward by a pair of bullocks, a reciprocating motion is imparted to the knife bar with the peak cutting velocity of 100 meters per minute. The crop is cut due to the shearing action. The effective field capacity of the machine between zero point 0.2 to zero point 0.3 hectare per hour. Now the tractor front mounted vertical conveyor reaper windrower. A machine called as the vertical conveyor reaper cum windrower can cut the crop and lay it in the form of windrow of easy picking. It consists of the conventional cutter bar assembly, crop row dividers with a star wheel, covers, pressure springs, and vertical conveyor belts. Now the cutter bar is given reciprocating motion by a crank wheel, and crop row divider with star wheel enter the standing crop and help in lifting and gathering and guiding the crop towards the cutter bar. After the crop is cut, held in a vertical position during its passage by the means of pressure spring and star wheels. Vertically held crop is delivered toward the right side of the machine in a windrow perpendicular to the direction of the movement of machine with the help of lugged conveyor belt. And the gearbox and windrower is coupled to the drive shaft of the prime mover. The output shaft transmits the power to the shaft driving the lug flat conveyor belt, and crank is attached to the lower end of the output shaft to operate the cutter bar through connecting rod. Now the serrated blade cutter bar is cut the crops. The power in case of the power tiller units is transmitted. The power in case of the power tiller unit is transmitted through an intermediate shaft to the gearbox on windrower either by belt or by shaft drive. In tractor mounted model, the power to the gearbox is transmitted from PTO shaft through gearbox by a long shaft running beneath and the tractor body to the front, and with the help of universal joint and telescopic shaft which is connected to the gearbox. The lowering and raising of the reaper is carried out with the help of the hydraulic system of the tractor. In case of the power tiller, the machine pivot on the power tiller wheels. By pushing the handle, the cutter bar can raise. A front mounted vertical conveyor reaper is the most common reaper to harvest the wheat and paddy crops. It can be used for harvesting the soybean and other similar crops. The engine operated reaper can be operated with the 5 to 6 HP engine, whereas tractor operated reapers can be operated with the 25 to 35 HP tractor. Now the width of cut is about 1.6 meter in power tiller reaper and about 2.5 meter in tractor operated reaper. Stroke per minute of the cutter bar is 1225 and 1550 in case of the power tiller and tractor operated reapers respectively. Now this is the vertical front tractor front mounted vertical conveyor reaper windrow. It is mounted to the uh, front side of the tractor. The power is given from the PTO to the front side with the help of the telescopic shaft. Now this is the part of the crop: divider, cutter bars, star wheels, discharge plate, mounting and tractors. Okay. Now this is the power tiller drawn vertical conveyor reaper.